Welcome back, everybody. This is my 1998 Nissan pickup, and as you can see, the valve cover is completely covered in soot and oil. So what we're doing today is we're going to take a new gasket and the ring around the spark plugs and replace it. So this should be a relatively straightforward process. What we're going to do first is we're going to remove the boot for the spark plugs. Remember to just remember the orientation, the spark number, because there's a firing sequence. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they're very loose. And second thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all the bolts that's associated here. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts that goes around, and the cover should lift off along with the vacuum line. The vacuum line is pretty rigid, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. Because the vacuum line is fairly rigid, what we're going to do is going to remove this clip right here where it's mounted to the air filter and pull it out, because we have a longer arm for it to move. Alright, so we've extracted all the bolts, and we have to move a lot of these brackets that were mounted to the plate. In the process, there are 3 of them. There's one over here, one over here, and one over here. And we've unhooked the vacuum line, and now all the bolts have been removed. Now that back bolt right there, that back bolt towards the end right here was very difficult to get to. Alright, future note. Alright, so this is the valve cover exposed. This is the back side of the valve cover, if you look over here. And there's some carbon buildup, but that's to be expected. For the most part, the cams are very, very clean. And this is the driving chain, the timing chain. And we're just going to replace this rubber gasket. Alright, so we've replaced the gasket with these new ones. They're made of rubber, and so they're nice and supple right now. Over here, if you look over here, these are the old ones, and the old ones have become cracked, and it's rigid. You know, it's lost a lot of its flexibility. That's why the engine cover was leaking, and this is just the bolt pattern. All right, so this is the cover, and these are the new gaskets we put on. The problem is when we flip it upside down and try to insert it, it would fall out, and because it's not a linear run, you know, it's hard to place it on the chassis itself. So what we did is we took some dental floss and kind of secured it at every hole, and once we mount it, we're going to remove the dental floss.